5 car sensors you must know and their symptoms when faulty. Sensors act like your sensory organs, like your eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. They send important information about your car to the engine. So here are 5 car sensors and their functions. 1. Mass airflow sensor. This sensor determines the mass airflow rate of air entering the engine. When it is faulty, the engine will be hard to start or turn over, might also stall before starting. The engine will hesitate or drag while under load or idle, and you might experience hesitation and jerking during acceleration. 2. Knock sensor. This takes note of vibrations caused by the engine knock due to incomplete combustion in the engine. When this sensor is faulty, you will experience misfiring. You will experience vibration, especially at highway speed. You might notice thumping or knocking noise from the engine, and you will experience poor fuel economy and acceleration. 3. Fuel temperature sensor. When this sensor is faulty, you will experience poor fuel economy, irregular temperature readings, black smoke from the exhaust, and engine overheating. 4. Speed sensor. This measures the speed of your car from the wheels and communicates to the engine. When this sensor is faulty, you will experience erratic speedometer readings, inability to engage cruise control, and the check engine light will be triggered. 5. Airbag sensor. This also acts as an accelerometer which detects the car's rate of deceleration. This activates the airbag in case of a crash. When this sensor is faulty, the airbag light will come on and show on the dashboard. The airbag will not deploy in an accident. Visit a professional auto workshop if you experience any of these symptoms. Sharing is caring. Share this with a friend from your friends at Pamtech.